What's going on, everybody? Welcome and welcome back. This is a quick unbox about Rowkin Ascent charge. So I picked this up on Best Buy, but they sell it on Amazon as well. For I believe I bought this on Best Buy for $85. But on Amazon is $83. Is cheaper on Amazon. So, and plus you got free shipping, so you can go on with that. So I'm gonna do a quick unbox about this, wireless earbuds. So it's also wireless charge. So that's what I'm curious about. That's the reason I bought this. And after I unbox it, since this unbox is gonna be a quick unbox, I'm gonna try it and then give you the review, and also I'm gonna compare it to the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds. The new one just came out. All right, let's do the unbox. I got a unbox knife. Do this. And it seems like you just slide that. Okay, put the box inside, and then just do the $10. All right, so it look like okay, there you go. That's what it look like. Put this on the side. I believe that's the main device right here. It's pretty heavy and bulky, so I put from the side, and then let's check what is inside the box. Put the main device over there. So then this pretty tight. Get out. There you go. You got another box inside the box. So what is in it? This gonna be a little adapter you got from USB-A to USB-C. There you go. See, USB-A to USB-C. That's pretty nice of it. And you got USB-C to USB-C. So technically this device charged with USB-C. And this also does little earbuds. And what is inside the box? Nothing really. Oh, that's pretty cool. They give you a wireless charge inside the box. I think that's pretty nice. They do that. It's pretty slim, so they give you one with it. Come with it. That's nice. I have my own wireless charge, but if you didn't include this in the box, I didn't expect that, but that's a plus. I mean, for $85, you can't go wrong with that. It's pretty good. So like I said, it was gonna be a quick unbox, and I'm gonna do the review after I check it, because right now I never tried this before. I don't know what to say about it, if it's good, if it's bad. So I just make the unboxing right now, and to show what you get in the box when you buy this, if you end up buying these things. But one thing I could say, it looked nice, but it's not really pocket friendly, because you can see it's pretty bulky. And I mean, if you go on the gym, you could put this in your bag, but if it's like somebody like to put things in your pocket to go to your day-to-day life, that probably annoying. If you like skinny jeans, that's not the way to go. But if you get big baggy jeans, with big pocket, or for the ladies, it will be pretty good, because ladies, you could put this in your bag. So for men, so you put this in your pocket, you're gonna get people gonna look at you funny. So anyway, that's let me open it. I'll show you what it look like. That's the earbuds. Yeah, so they're not that big. They're pretty good looking earbuds, if I could say. And you put it back in the things, yeah, and you close it. And by the way, this is metal, this is plastic. So it's two-tone, plastic and metal. They should have just put it just straight metal, but I don't know why they do it like that. But anyway, this is a quick unbox. So I don't have that much to say about it right now, but I'm gonna do a quick review about it and then keep you guys up to date. Stay tuned for the next one. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Put comment down below. You know, let me know what you want to see this compared with. But I'm planning to do a video after I test it. I'm planning to do a video to compare this with the new Samsung Earbuds. So to to let you know which one is a better buy. So, all right. So stay tuned to the next one. Have a good one.